Yo, what's up? Nandito kami ngayon sa kahabaan ng Marcos Highway at papunta kami sa lugar kung saan magkikita na kami nung taong followers natin na taga ibang bansa pa. Dito sa Facebook na to at sa Facebook personal account ko, nag-live ako noon nung nasa motor race kami. Tapos ang nangyari is nagbigay siya ng 99 stars, tapos nagpasya siya na mag-meet kami, at ngayon ay isasama ko siya sa diving spot kung saan maraming nagda-dive at maganda ang sanctuary. So, kita-kita tayo dahil papunta na ako diyan sa Eastwood kung saan naka-stay siya. So, tara, punta natin siya. Yun guys, nandito na tayo sa Eastwood. Nandito yung location kung saan naka-stay si Sam, yung followers natin from USA, California. Nagbigay ng star na to sa live ko sa aking personal account nung nasa motor race kami. So, pipick upin natin siya dito, then pupunta tayo sa isang resort kung saan madalas kami nagda-dive. At malay natin baka marunong din siya mag-dive. So, tara, bigyan natin siya ng magandang welcome dito sa Pinas at makabanding man lang natin siya. Tara guys!
A few minutes later.
Na siya. Ayan, kung makikita nyo yun. Ayan na siya, yung malaking tae na konti. So, salubungin natin siya. Buksan mo yung bintana. Charlotte,
Hi.
this is my beautiful wife. Hello.
Hi. Are you Sam also?
Meet Sam.
Have a seat.
Meanwhile,
Dito na tayo sa bangka. At kasama na natin yung kaibigan natin nagbigay ng 99 stars. So, magbabanding lang kami. Tingnan natin kung magaling siya mag-dive. Si Sam nga pala. Ang followers natin sa USA, California. Right?
yep.
Yeah. So, nasa dagat na kami. Yan. Tingnan natin. Mamaya, I will teach you Tagalog and words, okay?
Okay.
Okay, just trust me. It's good.
Many minutes later.
Dito yung kaibigan natin si Sam. So, paborito niya daw yung spaghetti. Kaya, pinagluto natin siya. Hey, my friend, do you want me to take to your plate?
Okay.
Do you want a lot of cheese?
Sure.
But cheese.
Dong, bawal ang Tagalog daw.
Dong, huwag na lang tayo magsalita, Dong.
How was it? How was it?
Good.
Good, oh.
Hindi naman ata eh.
Oh, Tagalog yun.
Oh,
English only.
Are you serious? Say it, say it. Palaiyot ako.
Ay, sorry.
Palaiyot ako? Yeah, that's handsome. I'm handsome.
How to teach Tagalog to foreigners.
How about the other word that I told you before?
Stop it. Get some help.
How about stupid?
Bobo.
No, it's an idiot. Bobo is idiot.
Oh.
Stupid is gago.
Oh, gago.
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 Gago Karin.
Gago kanin.
Ang galing! Ang galing!
How about handsome? Pogi. Pogi.
Pogo.
Huh? What?
Pogi.
Pogi. Pogi. How about Poki?
No, not
Poki is what?
Vagina.
Vagina. How about Pototoy? You know Pototoy?
Patotoy?
Pototoy is a penis.
Oh.
Pototoy is a penis for the boy, is a small guy. Yan.
Oh, okay.
You know that? Small guy, like children.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's called Pototoy. But if you're getting bigger, it's titi. Titi.
Tide?
Yeah, titi. Yeah.
Ay,
How can you say it in I have a big penis? Yeah. You say it in it? Malaki ang titi ko. Say it. Say it. Malaki
Malaki
ang
ang
titi ko.
titi ko.
Yeah.
Wait for it. Here it comes. Almost there.
I want to teach you bad words because there's a lot of person saying that this is a good word, but in Tagalog it's a bad word.
Yeah.
How about Bobo is idiot. Remember that? Bobo is
Bobo.
idiot. Gago is stupid. Putangin na mo.
Tangin mo.
Oh yeah. In short, they say it in short. Tangina mo.
Tangin mo.
It's fuck you. Yeah, it's fuck you also.
Hmm.
But if you're angry about the person saying that in angry way, putang ina mo.
Putangin mo.
Yeah, that's right. But you can say it on our brother in a good way. Putang ina mo. Say it.
That's a sweet
Putangin mo.
Yeah, that's right. Gago! In a good accent. Putang ina mo. Yeah.
Putangin mo.
I'm with Sam. And can you sing what I told you before? Sing it. Say it again. Sing it again.
Ang galing! Ang galing!
How's your experience here in Batangas?
Amazing.
Amazing. Tagalog? In
Sarap.
Tagalog? Ang Tagalog. Amazing. What is in amazing in Tagalog?
I don't know.
Nakakabilib. Nakakabilib. Nakakamangha. Say it.
Nakapa.
Nakaka.
Nakaka.
Mangha.
Mangha.
Nakakamangha.
Mangha.
You enjoy the beaches?
beaches.
Beaches?
Last night,
Beaches or beach?
Karaoke.
Yeah, you have a lot of experience here
here,
in
take the water.
Philippines, right? A good experience.
Good. Yeah. Only the
Okay.
best. Only the best.
You can say bye-bye, Philippines. And see you on March, right?
Yep.
Say it.
Back.
Bye-bye.
Baba in the Philippines. Baba in Philippines. Be back in March.
Maybe on Antipolo, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. And ingat, ingat ha. Ingat. Take care.
Ingat.
Ingat. Take care.
Take care. Ingat.
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 Say it. When you say bye-bye to the person who encounter here in the Philippines, what do you say?
Ingat mga gunggo.
Say it again. Louder.
Ingat mga gunggo.
Ang galing! Ang galing!